Welcome to Obsessed Garage. Today's product focus is a kit, a three-piece combo kit. Now, Milwaukee makes a bunch of these things. They make, I don't know if it's a dozen or two. I don't remember exactly how many they have. The catalog is a little jumbled in my brain. I did carry it around for a year and shopped it and then figured out what I wanted after we bought one of every tool. But we have a few of these combo kits because it makes sense from a price perspective. You get value, you get some free stuff basically for buying the kit, the combo kit. And the key requisite for me is I don't want a combo kit include some fluff, some stuff that I don't want. I don't want weird lights and fans and things like that, or some weird chargers and things that some of the kits come with. I'm not a big fan of mystery packages or buying things that I don't want because I feel bad throwing it away. And so the kits that we carry include the specific tools that make up my master collection, which are in my cabinet. And so I want the value. I want the opportunity to buy it personally, but I don't want extras, extra fluff, extra things that really don't make the cut for my tool cabinet. Because tool real estate, especially when you start to get a lot of tools, becomes one of your most expensive endeavors. Your cabinets cost the most, and so to save 30 cents and then end up with something I don't really want in the cabinet, just occupying space, doesn't make sense to me. So this three-piece combo kit includes a 1/4-inch impact, which is, one of you, I've talked about this on the specific 1/4-inch video. This is a 2853-20. 2853 is the model number. So this is the 1/4-inch M18. It includes the hammer drill driver, which I'm a huge fan of. They do have some kits that have just the drill driver, but I want the hammer drill driver. Even though I have an SDS in my cabinet, it's nice sometimes. I'll use this to drive in Tapcon. Sometimes it's a little bit easier, or it makes more sense to have a tool that has multifunction. This model number is 2804. And then includes the newest, which is, what's the model number on that? 2821 is the newest, what do you call it? Sawzall. And then the advantage of this kit, now I'm not a huge fan of it coming with chargers and bags, it's kind of a waste. But what you do, when you do the math, and if you were to add up all these tools on their own and then buy two batteries separately, a la carte, you do save quite a few bucks by buying this kit. So I think it makes sense to to have it in our store and have it available. And actually, if you were to buy a master collection from us, I believe you get the combo kit because it helps drive the price of the master collection down. The master collection is 45 tools, and it's 12 or 13,000 bucks, something like that. I think it's almost 14,000, but includes dozens of 50 some odd batteries and dozens of tools. But when you buy these standalone, or you would pay more, the kit comes with two XC 5.0s, which is the most popular, most used battery in pretty much any Milwaukee guys' tool arsenal, and you'll probably just take the bag that it comes with and use it for carrying tools around if you're going to visit a buddy or something. I end up with a lot of bags. If you end up with all these tools, you'll have a few dozen bags. You'll probably throw away 95% of them, keep one or two of them. So the only thing that's a bit confusing, I think because it's a combo kit and has three tools, they're calling it a 2998-23. Normally 22 would mean two batteries, 20 would mean no batteries, 21 would mean one battery. But this particular package comes with two XC 5.0, so just take note of that. I don't want you to get it and be confused and be disappointed that it only came with two batteries. But this is a kit of three of the most used tools. This is a good place to start, especially if you're starting in the M18 line. I think that this package would make a lot of sense for pretty much anyone's cabinet. So available at obsessedgarage.com. Hit us up if you have any questions, support obsessedgarage.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.